Hey everyone, how's it going? So I've had a lot of fun drawing the different Rainbow Friends characters, and I thought I would draw one more of them. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Black from Rainbow Friends. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Rainbow Friends Black, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, and then we're going to bring it back here, kind of like a check mark. Next, we're going to leave some space, and we'll do that same thing. We'll just go down, and then we're going to bring it back. Now, right here, I'm going to make a nice curved line for the eye. And we'll do the same thing here. We're just going to go down and then up. Starting here, I'll color in a little line inside each eye for the pupils. Now, starting here right up against the eye, let's make a little sad face. And then right out here, we're going to go out, and then we're going to bring it down. Same thing here. We're just going to go out, and then we're going to bring it down for the mouth. Kind of reminds me of Sonic's mouth just a little bit. Next, we're going to bring this down and then up to here. For the inside of the mouth, we're going to make a line that's going to go up, it's going to come back down, and then it's going to go out here. And then we're just going to go down and bring it up. Now starting here, I'm going to make two big teeth at the bottom, so we'll just make two big triangles. And then we're just going to make some smaller triangles right across the top, and then a couple more at the bottom. And then we can go ahead and color this part of the mouth in real fast. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up on each side for the sides of the head. And then right across the top, I'm going to make a big sad face shape. I'm going to make a line that's going to go out, it's going to come down and in. Same thing here, we're going to go out, down, and in. Now he has some big horns, so I'm going to curve this line up to a point, and then we're going to bring it down. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to curve this up to a point, and then we're going to bring it down. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes out on each side. And then we're just going to bring this down for the ears. Now, starting here, I'm going to curve a line down on each side to start the body. Then we're just going to bring this up and connect it back. Same thing here, I'm going to bring this line down and then up. Now for the legs, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and down. And then same thing here, I'm going to go out and down. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go out and then it's going to curve down for the first toe. Then we'll bring this line down and curve around. And this one here, and we're going to bring it back. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to go out and then curve, down and curve, and then one more. We're just going to curve around and then bring it up. Now I'm going to bring this up and then in. You can see it's a lot bigger down here and a lot skinnier up here. So let's do that same thing. We're going to come up, and then we're just going to bring it in here. And then we'll just draw this line across, and we'll draw this line across here. Now let's work on the arms. So starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then one that's going to curve down here. And then I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring this line down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line across, and then we're just going to come up. Same thing here, I'm going to bring this line across, and then we're just going to come up. Now right here, let's add some claws. I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and up with a point. Do one more here, and then one here. Same thing here, start on the inside. We're going to go down and up, and then one more down and up. Then we'll do one claw that goes out and back in on the side. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And then one more that's just going to come down and then up here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Black from Rainbow Friends. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.